Hi kids, how are you? This is Fatma. Welcome to my channel, Kiddo Kiddo. Today we have a very fun activity to do with each other. We will make a craft using letter A. Okay, so let's revise. This is letter A. Repeat. A. Capital A and small a. What is the sound of letter A? It's a. Super. Okay, so A is for alligator. 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 Excellent. Alligator begins with letter A. Super. Okay, so let's make the activity together. Okay, we will have letter A, and it will be green. Okay, and we will need two triangles stick to each other, and one rectangle, one white rectangle, and we will need scissors, and make sure your mommy or daddy use it for you, and marker, and the last thing we will need is the glue. Okay, so are you ready to begin? Let's go. So I'll take the rectangle paper, and I will cut it in a zigzag way. Okay, let's do it. Let's go. So now I have two zigzagged shapes like this. Okay, we will use it for the mouth of the alligator. Okay, I'll put them here, and then we will stick them. Okay, I'll bring the A letter here and the glue, and I'll stick the teeth here like this. Okay, and the other one on the other side here. So that's it. So the teeth are ready. Okay, so let's do the other things, and it will be the eyes using the two triangles here. Okay, I'll stick it here. Like this. Okay, and then I'll use the marker. Okay, first of all, make sure you close or cover the glue. Okay, then I'll use the marker to draw the eyes. Okay, I'll do a big black circle, two circles, inside them a small one. Okay, and that's it. This is the alligator. Did you like it? Okay, if you like it, try to make one using your mommy's help, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channels to see the next crafts of the letters. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.